welcome back to the Ocean Cadillac channel, and for today's video we are going to be taking a Cadillac ESV Platinum Sport out for a drive so that you guys can experience what it is like to drive one of these. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. First, we gotta open up our mirrors. And let's get going. Another cool feature for when you're driving the Cadillac is that your rear view mirror is always on. So when you're driving, you can always see who's behind you, just that extra set of precaution. And with just a click of the button, the doors close by themselves. And they also do the same when you open the door. Just give it a click and you can step right in. You have the different options and it shows you kind of where it will go. You can bump up the intensity. It goes all the way up to 3. And I do say it does work. It is pretty crazy. So like I said, if you're going on a long road trip, this is perfect. You can also adjust the position and save your position for when you get back in the vehicle, which is nice. Like I said, this button controls the AC. We're just going to turn that down a little bit. This button controls the airflow, and you can also do the airflow in the back as well. These are your different controls. Of course, you have all your options. You have your headlights, it's automatically on auto, but if you want to do it manually, you can go ahead and turn that off. And of course, you have your cameras. As you can see, you can also change whether you have standard, overhead, and add if you had the side and a hitch on. Also on the door option, you can go ahead and open the door automatically, which is pretty cool. And to close, you just slide it like the old school iPhones, sliding at the bottom. And there it is, it's closed. You can also do that as well for the passenger sides and your rear. And you have the option to unlock and lock and put the child lock on. Alright, now that we've seen the back, of course you can also see the sunroof back here, but we did close it. But that's pretty much all of the inside. Now we're gonna go take a look at the outside. As you can see, this Escalade ESV Sport Platinum is all black. The color is jet black. Of course, you have your dark wheels to go with it. And this thing just absolutely looks so good. Now, the last part we're going to talk about is, of course, the engine. So let's go take a look. And there she is. It is a 6.2 liter V8. Everything is super nice and clean. It looks brand new in here. But let's just do a last overview of the car. Like I said, this 2025 Cadillac ESV Platinum Sport is available now on our website, which you can go to and check it out for yourself. It is a certified pre-owned, and we do have it available. So if you guys are interested in this Cadillac ESV Platinum Sport, you can either give us a call or you can come in person to see it yourself. We also do have a ton of other used vehicles, certified pre-owned and brand new, if that is what you're looking for. So like I said, either give us a call or come in person. person to see for yourself. Thank you guys for watching the YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, and also make sure you guys go follow us on Instagram to see more. Thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.